Hello everyone, this is Angel Aguilar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going now today in Mount Samat, 600 meters from here on the top. Over there. We are many. Sir John, Wayne, and Sir Kevin, Sir Willie, and Sir Billy, and Mom Tara is over there, walking now. And the others at our back. Hard to walk. Dear. It's a long way. Look at down there. It's a good place but very ah, hard to walk. Your first time here to visit in Mount Samat. They call it Mount Samat. Everyone want to visit in the Philippines, you can visit here in Mount Samat.
Sign of remembrance.
Good remembrance here, good memories. Too far, but it is very nice here. Welcome to all the tourists and vacationists in the Philippines. It's getting tired now, my boyfriend. We can take a rest over there.